How to change the drive letter in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the drive letter in your Windows 11 computer. So first let me show you the current drive letters for my Windows computer. So to do this I need to open the file manager or the file explorer. So here you can see that under the file explorer I can click onto this PC and you can see that I have segmented my SSD or my storage into two segments. The first one is the C drive and the another one is the H drive. So for example, if I want to change the alphabet of this H to, for example, let's say a D, then you need to follow these simple and easy steps. So in order to do this, we will be using the disk manager. So it is not a particular application but just a part of the control panel. So instead of control panel, which will be a lengthy process, what you can do is simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and click onto this search bar, and from here simply search for disk. And once you will search for the disk option, you might find under the best match this option which says create and format hard disk partitions. So simply click onto this option and it will open the disk management, which is the part of control panel of your Windows 11. Now from here you can see the current structure and the division of your entire hard drive or solid state drive. Now since I told you I want to rename this H drive to a D. So instead of H we will be assigning the letter D to this particular segment or volume. So to do this, simply right click on that particular volume that you want to reassign the name, and then you will have this option that says change drive letter and paths. So simply click onto this option, and from here you can see that currently the H file is selected. So simply click onto this change option, and from here you can see this says enter a new drive letter or path for H new volume. So instead of H you can click onto this drop down value and choose any value that you want. So for example, let's say the letter D. And once you are done with that, simply click onto this OK button, and it says some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? So yes, make sure that you have transferred or backed up all your data in that particular drive before you are going with this step. So once you have done that, simply click onto this yes button and wait. And here you can see that the new volume H is now new volume D. And if we will move back towards the file explorer, it should also reflect these changes. So now here you can see that instead of the new volume H, we can see the new name that says new volume D. So that's how easily you can change the drive letter in your Windows 11 computer. So that's all for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving us a like. Tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.